Justin Vacula here with the Hurdy Gurdy Travel Podcast at Bellagio Casino, here for the Chinese New Year display in the Bellagio Conservatory. You can see lucky envelopes, a coin tree, pandas. Zooming in, you could see the pandas made of flour. Really neat display here. Back of the panda, teacups on the other side. The top of the coin tree and the glass ceiling. Coins hanging from ceiling. Over to the right, you can see a dragon with pearl. Nice displays here at the conservatory. Simulated fireworks towards the back on screens. And a snake or perhaps a dragon. Koi ponds with fish inside. See one swimming towards the back. Several in the middle area. Really nice here in the Bellagio Conservatory. They change this display approximately every 3 months. This one for Chinese New Year. Seen many other displays in the past. And see more of the fish swimming, lots of coins within the pond. See towards the ceiling, lots of lights, the hanging coins, more fireworks towards the back, this time not in the screens. Right. Another dragon with the pearl, coins falling in the backgrounds. Zooming in, you could see a tower, some people, another panda, and a cart. Some tea materials, fountain in the back, more pandas, and the firecrackers hanging from the ceiling. You can see bamboo trees, or what looks to be bamboo, going more towards the back. You can see the wheel of the cart even has its own design. Coming in closer, you can see the bridge as well. So really nice, a lot of attention to detail here in the Bellagio Conservatory. Some parasols, lots on display. Towards the back, you can see a cherry blossom tree and many tea items. Coin tree in the center. So always something new to see here at Bellagio. You could see a table. Looks like a Mahjong game. Some dice, and more of the display, including a close-up of the panda with the flowers. Justin Vacula here with the Hurdy Gurdy Travel Podcast, signing off from the conservatory at Bellagio, Las Vegas.